Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
I live by the ocean. Greetings. My name is Annie. I live in the town of Orleans, in the state of Massachusetts. The name Massachusetts comes from the Massachusetts Indians. My state is in a part of the United States called New England. Look at the map of the United States. New England is shown in color. Can you find the state of Massachusetts? How many other states make up New England? More than 6 million people live in Massachusetts. Some big cities, like Boston, are very crowded. But it is not as crowded in Orleans, where I live. Orleans is on a peninsula called Cape Cod. A peninsula is a piece of land that sticks out into a body of water. 3 of a peninsula's sides are surrounded by water. Take a look at the map below. Can you find the peninsula of Cape Cod? Some people think that Cape Cod looks like a hook. Others think it looks like an arm with a hand that is making a fist. I think Cape Cod looks like an elf's shoe. What do you think it looks like? The peninsula of Cape Cod is surrounded by water that is part of the Atlantic Ocean. An ocean is a huge body of salty water that separates the Earth's continents. Continents are large masses of land on the Earth. North America is a continent. There are 4 main oceans in the world. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. These oceans are all connected, and they cover almost 3/4 of the Earth. This map shows the Atlantic Ocean and the continents it separates. Some people think the Atlantic Ocean looks like a big S. Do you agree? I live near the Cape Cod National Seashore. One day while I was at the beach, I wondered how all that sand got there. I wondered why ocean water tastes salty, and I wondered why the water keeps moving back and forth. I asked my grandpa. Grandpa said that the shore here on Cape Cod used to be big rocks, but the ocean kept rolling in and smashing the rocks into smaller and smaller pieces. After a long time, the rocks broke into tiny bits of sand. Grandpa said ocean water tastes salty because it is about 3% salt. Some of this salt comes from rocks on the land. The salt is washed by rain into streams and rivers and then into the ocean. Some of the salt comes from rocks and volcanoes in the ocean. The ocean water dissolves the salt in the rocks. When a volcano erupts, the material that comes out contains salt. What makes an ocean's water move back and forth? Grandpa said that sometimes wind makes the water move. Wind can blow the water up and down to make waves. When the wind blows softly, the waves are small. But when the wind blows harder, the waves get bigger. The waves in the Atlantic Ocean can get huge sometimes. They can even smash boats into bits. Grandpa said that gravity also makes oceans move. Gravity is a force that pulls on things. The gravity of the sun and the moon pulls on the Atlantic Ocean. Every day, the gravity of the sun and moon pulls the water toward the shore. When that happens, it is called high tide. The water floods over the beach and washes away my sand castles. About 12 hours later, gravity pulls the water away from the shore. That is called low tide. The water moves away from the beach, and I can see crabs coming out of their sandy holes. They go looking for things to eat. When it's low tide, I can build another sand castle. So that's what I learned about the Atlantic Ocean. I think it is interesting, don't you?
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.